Good morning YouTube, my name is Sui from Bits Bytes and this is a 8000 rand and under budget game PC board guide under 3 minutes. Let's go. For our PC, we have an Intel 10th Gen Core i3-10100F upgrade kit with 8GB of DDR4 RAM from Evetech. The entire kit costs 3,800 rand. It features the MSI B460M A Pro Micro ATX motherboard. Depending on what is available, one may get a motherboard with 4 RAM slots or 2 slots. The MSI board is a decently spec'd budget board with a decent amount of I/O. The CPU we get is an Intel Core i3-10100F. It is a quad-core CPU with no integrated graphics, base clock of 3.6 GHz and a boost clock of 4.3 GHz. For RAM, the upgrade kit offers you a single stick of clever 8GB of DDR4 RAM at 2666 MHz. For cooling, the CPU comes with its own stock cooler. For our storage, we have an Acer FA100 256GB M.2 NVMe SSD for 600 rand and a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive for 650 rand. For our GPU, we have an Asus GeForce GT 1030 with 2GB of GDDR5 VRAM for 1,300 rand. This is the cheapest new GPU one can buy during the global GPU shortage. It can play most games at a low to medium settings at acceptable frame rates. For our power supply, we have the EVGA B5 550W 80 plus bronze fully modular PSU for 700 rand. Finally, for our case, we have the Antec NX410 tempered glass gaming case, a mesh case for better airflow, and it has RGB, all for 700 rand. The total cost of the board is 7,743 rand and 99 cents, give or take. If you want, you could add a better CPU cooler, the D-Cool GAMX 200T for 250 rand from Takealot, and the total cost of the board would be 7,993 rand and 99 cents, give or take. Thank you.